fluffy, easy to prepare buttermilk cake with lots of rhubarb, crumble, and icing. The exact amount of ingredients can be found in the description below the video. New viewers are of course invited to subscribe to my channel. We need 2 eggs, preferably at room temperature, then a cup of buttermilk, half a cup of oil, and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Mix only with a whisk until the ingredients are combined. In my case, they are Mix the whole thing very briefly only until the ingredients are combined. The shorter you mix, the lesser the chances of the cake curdling. Remember, these cakes should never be mixed for too long. The batter doesn't have to be uniform. As you can see, mine is also not uniform. As long as you cannot see the flour, rhubarb too, if there's excess juice collected, it's best to put to a sieve and not here with all this water. Finally, add the crumble. In my case, it's in the proportion of 50 grams of flour, 30 grams of butter, and 30 grams of powdered sugar. Sprinkle over the batter. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Batter about 35 minutes. Of course, it all depends on the oven. Bake until the so-called dry stick, top, bottom, no fan. Ready, icing and eating. It's delicious and extremely easy to prepare. How the cross-section of the cake looks like can be found on my blog because I forgot to record it here. Cheers!